Welcome friends, is and ladder game tutorial. Uh, we can in last video we make a placement of all the board and players and dice images textures and make a sprite them. After that we make a uh, one sprite for background images and put a texture this gradient are pretty cool looking. Go to its z index, make it -5 and place it center so all the our area can be covered with gradient, and we run it. First of all, when we first run, we need to select our scene. So we set main TSCN5 and save it. After that it run. It's look like this. So it is pretty cool. Okay. For small make it a 20. Now it's look perfect. Oh, we need to adjust our 5-axis scale 0.8. It's perfect. Now we after the running it's look good. I close it and now we need to coding it. First we adjust the player hour. Give us same ratio with scale. Okay. Okay, we need to adjust our player. For good looking only. Okay. After that we make script in a main. First we run for dash. So we make a script in main. Give this name to main.gd and save it our script folder. Open, create. After that we do not need this command, so I remove it. We need some variable, so I create it. Variable first dice run equal to 0 initially. After that dice position. We need to change our dice position. It is array and give them the position. So we get our scene and select our dice faces. Go to transform and get its position. Copy this position and paste it in our array. After that, go to our dice position and select it in for position red. Copy that position for X, go to our script and paste it. Again, go to the Y and paste it in our script. Change the position for green, select it and move. Copy position and paste it. We change the position of dash after the turn in change. So we again change this position to go to the yellow, copy the position and paste it. For Y axis, copy this position and paste it again. I reduce this area. Now this dash position is set. Now we again make a variable for player run and check this player run, make it 0. Make this an array for 4 player and for first time make it 0 all the value. Now go to the dice space and add a button for click event recognize. And adjust its width and height so it's perfectly match with our dice. After that, go to its visibility and decrease its visibility to 0. Select the button, go to nodes and click on press event and connect this press event to main. Before that, we change in method name to the on dice press and connect. On dice press, if check the condition, if dice run is not equal to 0, then our dice is run. Then initially on ready function, we need to hide our dice spaces. So select dice spaces, dice faces and hide it. So we need to not dice spaces, we need to hide dice animation. After that, if conditions satisfied, hide the dice faces, dice faces dot hide and dice any show. We need to play dice any animation. So dice any dot play and give it name dice any. We need to check also when our animation is finished. So go to the dice any. When animation is finished, go to the signal and connect it to the main script. After dice animation finish, we run our randomize function. So randomize and we make one variable dice faces, dice face initially is equal to 0. Update it by dice faces equal to randy function percentage 6 plus 1. It's mean that we get a value from 1 to 6. Enter. After that, we need to show our dice faces. So we hide, copy this and change their functions. So its dice faces show and dice animation hide after the animation finish and dice faces dot we set a frame. So look for this method, go to the search help and type animated sprite class and open it. we need to set a frame. This method, set frame method, to go to our main script, set frame, and frame start from here. We go to our frame start from 0, so we need to index it 0 to 5. So go to our main script and you take this number, dice faces, dice face -1. Okay, now when first turn happen, make it dice run equal to 1. Okay, run it. The program hind in base identified invalid call. So check where happen at dice any. This is not a correct spell. HIDE. Now this is correct. Run it again. Click on this 6. So we go to our main screen and move this to first. Now run again. Now it's perfect. In snake and ladder game, when player got 1, then player go to the this one number. So we again our main script. After the dice animation finished, we check for player run. Check condition if player run index has a dice face -1 or not a dice face -1, the dice run -1. After the animation finish, dice press finish, we need to add dice run equal to 0. And we need more variable, one more variable, turn. First turn is 1. We made 1. If player run that dice run, we need make 8 to turn -1. We change the turn equal to 1. We made as index size, so we do not need to make a player run turn -1. We check for player run. If player run enter pass ellipse, check the condition, die space equal to 1, pass. We make more variable or go to get to the path of that player. So variable path player equal to make a array make a path for blue player, path for red player, path for green player, and path for yellow player. This variable can be initialized on ready because this variable cannot set without the ready of the main method. So go to the ellipse, if die spaces equal to 1, enter, else we need to if player run not equal to 0 means it cannot be entered our box at one point, and the second is if the die space is not equal to 1, so else turn can be moved. It make a dice run equal to 1, that is dice can be now click function activated and make a turn equal to we increase by 1. Okay, after that we check for if the turn is more than 3, so if turn is greater than if turn equal to 4, we make it turn equal to again 0. Now if die spaces get the 1, we need to move this player to the 1 position. So go to our main, get the path of the path point of the first point, so make a variable path point equal to and path dot get curve. So we get the point dot get point position. We need to get our first point position, so we index it 0. After that we need to set our player position, so we also need a one more variable, global pose. Its array for this global pose is for the position of blue. It's 45, 556 and Y position. All the position of the its same position, so we do not need, only we give a one position. So I copy it and paste it in this array. This position need to check our player's position. After that, this represent the vector 2. So path point we decrease dot x equal to minus equal to global path dot 0. We need to decrease it for get the local position. Path point dot y minus equal to global path dot 1. After that we set our player position, so we need to go path of the player is equal to, and which turn dot position equal to our path point position. So we run it. We click it on dice. We got a first time 1. We need to change our dice to that position. So this is perfect. So this is not work. Okay, after that this one also 1. So I end the today's tutorial. So thanks for watching, friend. Keep subscribe and like. So after the subscribe you get the first notification on your inbox. So thank you, friend.